what sets the Thor's Lightning Strike dual air compressor apart from other compressors out there on the market? And I want to show you. So we use extremely durable, heavy duty 4-gauge electrical wire. The reason we do that is because the thinner the wire, the more likely there's voltage drop between the vehicle battery and the compressor itself, which means less performance. So with Thor's Lightning, we include the largest wiring of any compressor out there on the market. We have extremely heavy duty 120 amp rated Anderson connectors standard. What this means is if you choose not to use the supply battery clamps, you can actually hardwire this into your vehicle using a Thor's Lightning wiring kit. The other things that we have on here that are different from other compressors is we have a built-in cooling fan right here. And what that does is it provides cooling for the compressor, which means that it runs up to 100 degrees cooler than our old body style compressor. So you don't get burned by your compressor technology. This right here is our zero out function. And you can hear right there, release the air pressure. What that allows the unit to do is recalibrate itself for altitude. So right now we're at almost 10,000 feet altitude here in the mountains of Colorado. What that means for us is it doesn't change the accuracy of the compressor. No matter how high you are or how low you are in altitude, your compressor reading is going to be accurate. This comes with total control technology. It allows you to set your pressure, and once the compressor reaches the target pressure, it shuts off. So you don't have to worry about overinflating or underinflating your tires. The compressor works with a single tire hose or the Thor's Lightning Rapid Multi-Tire Air System.